So we take elasticity of supply. What is elasticity of supply? So far we have discussed the meaning of supply, law of supply, extension and contraction, and increase and decrease. In the law of supply, we discussed only that there is positive relationship between price and quantity supply. This law of supply is how there is positive relationship between price and quantity supply, or direct relationships between price and quantity supply. मगर सुचन हवा ये कहीं वो ये नहीं दिखाता है कि अगर प्राइस इस मकदार से कम होगी तो क्वांटिटी सप्लाई किस मकदार से कम होगी या ज्यादा होगी. So it is elasticity of supply which shows us how much price has changed and by which quantity supply has changed. Thus we can say the law of supply only shows direct or positive relationship between price and quantity supply. Other things remaining same. So it only shows us there is direct relationship or positive relationship between price and quantity supply. It does not shows us by how much or to what extent or by which quantity the supply has changed when there is change in price by this much amount. You can have a law of supply quantity supply percent kam ya zyad yel price change go. So that is elasticity of supply, which shows us, so that is elasticity of supply. It is elasticity of supply which shows us the degree of responsiveness. It shows us degree of responsiveness of quantity supply of a good due to change in its price. So it is, thus it is elasticity of supply. Which shows the extent to which quantity supply changes due to change in its price. Other things remaining same. Thus, it is elasticity of supply which shows us the extent to which, or to by which extent or by which quantity this quantity supply of a good changes when there is change in price. So elasticity of supply shows us the extent or the quantity or the percentage change in quantity supply due to percentage change in price. Thus we can say, thus elasticity of supply shows the degree of responsiveness. The degree of responsiveness. क्या response हो एम ये price कराची change, supply क्या response हो, supply क्या reaction दिस और अगर इस 10% price change करा supply कस percent गई change, अगर इस 10% price increase करो supply कस percent गई change, अगर increase करो price 10% supply कस percent गई increase. So Thus, the elasticity of supply shows degree of responsiveness of quantity supply of a good due to change in its price. Due to change in its price, other things remaining same. Price of one bulky cheese. For example, cost of production, technology, number of sellers, goal of firm, price of related goods, those things remain the same. Remain the same. Thus, we can say elasticity of supply shows degree of responsiveness of quantity supply of a good due to change in its price. Thus, we can say the elasticity of supply is percentage or proportionate change. Which is how a percentage change or proportionate change in quantity supply of a good due to percentage or proportionate change in price. Change in price. So elasticity of supply is how percentage change in quantity supply as a result of percentage change in price, or each is how a proportionate change in quantity supply of a good due to proportionate change in price. Kat miqdaras maz go price change, the tim price change sit kat miqdaras maz go supply change. Agar price aise 10 gun huro ya 10 times huro, supply kata times hurai. Other things remaining same. So we can show this we can show this. ये कौन लिख रहा है हमें चैट में? Everyone type message. You can see your message. अच्छा, अब हम ये elasticity of supply दिखाएंगे with the help of equation. So this is theoretical part. Now how to show it mathematically? Mathematically किस तरह हम कहेंगे what is elasticity of supply? So theoretically it is percentage change in quantity supply of a good due to percentage change in price, or divided by percentage change in price, or it shows degree of response, which is how kacha responsiveness, kacha degree response ho supply kun cheez che yel emuk price change go. That is elasticity of supply one is tele. We can say elasticity of supply is equal to percentage change in quantity supply divided by percentage change in price. Kya percent I supply must change? Yeli. Kya percentage change prices must change. Yeli a percentage change as prices must कर 10% या 20% या 30% am certain kya change I prices must. Am certain kya change I prices must. So agar is elasticity of supply how is ES? Definition. We have three definitions. Here we have discussed three definitions. One is it is degree of responsiveness of quantity supply of a good due to change in its price. First. Second, it is percentage change in quantity supply of a good divided by percentage change in price, or percentage change in quantity supply as a result of percentage change in price, or it is proportionate change in quantity supply as a result of divided by proportionate change in price. Proportionate change in price. So these are three definitions. Through equation, we can show these two. One, percentage change in quantity supply divided by percentage change in price, or proportionate change in quantity supply divided by proportionate change in price. If we can convert these definitions into symbols, proportionate change is delta Q, change in quantity supply divided by quantity supply, that is original quantity supply. Always there is first price, there is second price, there is first quantity, there is second quantity. As we see in the law of supply, it is law supply schedule. Supply schedule is how price and quantity supply. Price has 10, supply has 50. Price has a change to 20, price increases to 20, and quantity supply change to 70. So yes, this is price, first price, P1. This is second price, P2. This is first quantity, Q1. This is second quantity, Q2. So this quantity came into existence. This quantity I wujudus mas tel ye price of wujudus. So change in quantity go just must quantity must change from 50 to 70. It is change of 20. Here change is 20. What is change in price? Price change is much. Change in price is 10 here. This is, you see quantity is Q chase. This is this one. Price definition. So this is proportionate change in quantity supply. This portion, delta Q by Q divided by delta P by P means proportionate change in price. Use numerator here, which have a proportionate change in quantity supply, that is delta Q change quantity must divided by original quantity divided by prices must change divided original price good price into 100 is percentage change in quantity supply. So numerator percentage change in quantity supply. 100 percentage change in price. This is percentage change in price. Yes. Numerator 100, denominator 100 karo is cancel. Yes, cancel. Yes. As kya rule tell velocity of supply rules is delta Q by Q upon delta P by P. What is bay of operation, mathematical, geographical, algebraic operation, ES. It gives us velocity of supply is barabar till delta Q by Q. Delta Q by Q upon delta P by P. Upon some is khatam, is reciprocal. P by delta P. Yes, P by delta P. Multiplications must change. You guys reciprocals must. Delta P by delta P. Therefore, till kya banya velocity of supply formula? Delta Q by delta P on delta P on Q on delta P on Q on you wrote P by Q. So this is the formula for calculating velocity of supply. हाँ क्या बात?
सर मैं आना समझे बेवने एक
गोडनेची ऐसी definition velocity of supply चासन बराबर percentage change in quantity supply divided by percentage change in price. इमो मतलब go supply must कितना percent आई change. Yel to price constant percent to change. What is कुछ change? What का price का change का supply का change?
supply
नहीं, पहले price change होता है. पहले price change होता है. अगर मैं आपको यहाँ ये दे दूँगा supply schedule, अगर तो इनके दिन मुझे थोड़ी नजर, इसमें जो price, ये quantity supply. Price has such 10 रुपये, quantity supply has such 50. Quantity supply gets got change के got gets price change. जब markets में price gets change, पत करना supplier कम करना ज़्यादा करना. अगर price हरिया markets में, for example price go वो, नम supplier करना ज़्यादा supply, इमन बाइस profit हसे ये ज़्यादा है. तो वो समझ? अगर आप दुकानदार होते, जब भी किसी चीज का price बढ़ जाता है, you will supply more and more to the market. इस पर अगर अंबर मेव हरदस मन सोजान युथि बोजान दिल्ली हसा खोत मेवस कीमत, दिल्ली में एप्पल्स की जो रेट है वो बढ़ गई, तो पीपल सेंड मोर एंड मोर एप्पल्स टू द दिल्ली. That means when price increases, people supply more and more to the market. For example, supply has to go 100. Go God kuch go change. God go change price. Each one velocity of supply. So price really change go. When you are here, we start from the denominator. Bun me his start kara. Yeli has to price cause the percentage change go. तो तह supply कस आ गई change. Each have elasticity of supply. अगर तुहद प्राइस 10% चेंज गो तुह सप्लाई मज कस % चेंज आए. इथे पे प्रपोर्शनेट चेंज गो अगर तुहस प्राइस मज कस हिस्स चेंज गो, कस गन चेंज गो, कस टाइम्स चेंज गो. प्रपोर्शनेट चेंज गो कत्या हिस्स चेंज गो. अगर तुहद प्राइस ईत हिस्स चेंज गो तुह सप्लाई कत्या हिस्स गो चेंज. यह गो प्रपोर्शनेट. ई कोर एस प्रपोर्शनेट चेंज कोर एस कन्वर्ट इनटू सिंबल्स. प्रपोर्शनेट चेंज गो एक delta Q by Q. You go delta P by P. You go you got proportionate change in quantity supply. Delta Q by Q. So quantity must change. I divide by pro quantity. You get change. You get 5 to 100. You get change because I quantity must divide by quantity. You got quantity cash. You get Q. You 50 go Q. Change goes 5 to 100 go delta Q बना ये 50.
Yes sir.
क्या ठीक?
Yes sir.
Q 50 तो delta Q तो 50 तो हाथ गोना change 50 हो. Yes sir. Delta P go तो prices मस्त कैसा change है. 10 to 20 I change go 10 change है. Delta P goes 10. P goes godnok price को था उस godnok prices उस 10.
Yes sir.
Yes sir. Go. Use my loop. Delta Q by Q has to go proportionate change in quantity supply. Delta P by P has to go proportionate change in price. What is percentage? You'll be delta Q by Q was into 100. You bring a percentage change in quantity supply. Go. You sorry his bring a percentage change in quantity. Use numerator sorry che. But hook hit him his go numerator. Put him his go denominator. So मैं थोड़ा थोड़ा समझ गया. बस लग 2 by 3. Wasn't left 2 by 3. Numerator goes 2, denominator was 3. Why is numerator each have a percentage change in quantity supply? Divide by delta P by P goes percentage change in price. Yeah, हमेशा अगर हिरिम तो बुनिम numerator से denominator value हुई ऐसे सुचना पान है. ये हाथ बनते हम जैसे क्या रो अतरो delta Q by Q upon delta P by P. ये लिखने ये था. इस कोर में पाते बे ऑपरेशन थोड़ा algebraic ऑपरेशन कोर मस है algebraic solution कोर मस है. मैं लिखिए delta Q याचना ये बटा त्रे बटा चना हम त्रे बटा कोर है कोई बटा हाँ delta Q by Q ये बटा खत्म करने खातिर लिख में into या multiplication ये divide multiplication समझ गया सा reciprocal लिखने पाते. Reciprocal को बनिम खालन हुर हेरिम वालन बोन. ये लिख में यार ये delta Q by Q थोम अति delta Q by Q थोम अति यात कोरम यात dividers कोरम एक ये तक multiply ये बनिया reciprocal ये बनिया P by delta P by delta P एक ये इशुंता ऐसे हम ये एक ये P by delta P समझ आवा है? Yes. Pat कोर में एक ही joy change ये मन बुनिमन साइड किन कोर में joy change ये delta Q थोम अते ये delta P उनम ये तक Q नुम ये तक.
Yes sir.
Delta वाले एक ही साइड है नम delta वाले करें एक साइड है. ये बने सोई formula for calculating elasticity of supply. वो अगर तो elasticity of supply ऐसे calculate करें this is enough formula ये चीज़ कैफी formula तो इनके तरह it is delta Q by delta P change का चाहे quantity मस divide by change का चाहे prices मस into godnuk price क्या होस godnuk quantity क्या होस godnuk price क्या होस godnuk quantity क्या होस. इसलिए को wire Q हंसा गए quantity supply ये explain नम चीज explain करने के लिए quantity supply. P हंसा गो price original price. Delta has a change. Delta is change. Delta is change. ठीक छा हैं
Yes, sir.
फिर तो वो तो अगर जन तो as calculate करें वो elasticity of supply if we want to calculate the elasticity of supply
Supply.
क्या बजम तो सवाल है
Yes, sir.
यह नस्तुल वात तो फार्मूला छुता
Yes, sir.
क्लियर फार्मूला ये अगर तो कह वन
Delta Q divided by delta P
डेल्टा
into P
Q
divided
divided by delta P into P upon Q
Q.
Q.
बजम तो सवाल तो इस करो सवाल इस करो कैलकुलेट इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ सप्लाई यस लेक्चरस मज कर उति क्लियर कि लॉ ऑफ सप्लाई हावान खाली देयर इज डायरेक्ट रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन प्राइस एंड क्वांटिटी सप्लाई यह हावान कहें प्राइस कोता गो चेंज क्वांटिटी सप्लाई कोता गो चेंज प्राइस कता परसेंट गई चेंज तम सहित कोता परसेंट गई क्वांटिटी सप्लाई चेंज यह हावान ऐसे लॉ ऑफ सप्लाई एक हावान यह हावान इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ सप्लाई इधर लिखो क्वेश्चन लिखो the price of bananas increased from rupees 80 to rupees 100 per dozen. Look what? Per dozen. And quantity supply increased from 500 dozens to 700 dozens. Find out elasticity of supply. Which problem? Elasticity of supply. Get those solution. हमेशा इस पे ऐसा सवाल इस पे ऐसा न्यूमेरिकल तो कैसे करें कम तो कैसे बनाओ सप्लाई शेड्यूल ये हिस्सा तो प्रॉब्लम किस पर बनाओ सप्लाई शेड्यूल प्राइस क्वांटिटी सप्लाई वन से गॉडनुक प्राइस क्या उस प्राइस इंक्रीज्ड फ्रॉम 80 to 100 प्राइस को तो उस गॉडने 80 उस है
80.
इन साथ कोता उस supply 80 is per supply 500 dozens price go increase from 80 to 100 price go increase from 80 to 100 quantity supply kaza go increase from 500 to 700 bane ye supply schedule
Yes, sir.
bane wa supply schedule
Yes, sir.
wah ko is elasticity of supply measure kare now we can measure the elasticity of supply क्या elasticity of supply formula वही लिखा है शाबाश
Delta Q divided by delta P
delta Q by delta P into
P divided by Q.
P upon
P
Q
divided by Q.
yes ये delta Q क्या गो शाबाश supply
Quantity.
supply quantity supply mas quantity mas कौन change आई
Change. Yes, sir.
delta शन change
Yes, sir.
quantity mas कौन change ऐसा लिखो change in quantity कौन change in quantity का goodness quantity minus
700.
next quantity
Yes, sir.
you go Q1 you guys goodness original quantity you guys pata next quantity what's a change
Yes, sir.
500 to 700 yes what's a change आई
100.
500 to 700 आई 100 change
Sir, एक minute.
700 to 500 ऐसे को तो रोज
200.
200 500 minus 700 ऐसे को तो minus 200 it is 200 eh
Yes, sir.
prices must what's a change आई 80 to 100 20 change of
20.
20 yeah.
Minus 20.
minus 20,000 I say minus 20 P go price godnuk price क्या है godnuk price 80 P 80 क्यों कोता है
Divided by 500.
Q 500 शाबाश गडनुक क्या है लगे तो नमय
Yes,
वैल्यू
sir.
यथ मस therefore ES गो तिल बराबर elastic of supply गो बराबर delta Q क्या है -200 divided by
100.
delta P क्या है -20 into
20.
P क्या है 8 divided by Q
8.
500 ठीक है
Yes, sir.
ये माइनस करो कैंसल मुकलावा ये बने प्लस therefore ES गो बराबर तिल 200 into 8 सो कोता गो 200 into 8 शाबाश 8 0 was 0 8 0 was 0 8 2 was 16 गो शोराशा
Yes, sir. Sure, sure.
500 into 20 कोता गो
500 into
20 शाबाश हैं
That's all.
500 into 20 शाबाश ये गो 10,000 इकाई दाई सैकड़ा हजार 10 ones tens 100,000 tens of thousands ये ज पर तो ये ज पर करो कैंसल अत कोता रोज यारो 16
60
divided by 100 16 divided by 100 therefore tel वन तो में ES का गो tel बराबर 16 divided by 100
0.16.
Shaba 0.16 is dry elasticity of supply. 0.16 is dry elasticity of
Supply.
it's a less than 1 can more than 1. Shabash 0.16 is a less than 1 can more than 1 can 1 Shabash minimum
Less than.
less than 1 ये less than 1 है elasticity of supply tel क्या elastic गई सर inelastic से गई inelastic supply inelastic supply so supply is inelastic or less elastic inelastic when to less elastic when to so this is how to calculate the elasticity of supply. Вутра потай савала катын जो तु पाने करित ये elasticity of supply करियो calculate ठीक छा question लिखू the price of sugar increased from the price of sugar increased from the price of sugar increased from rupees 40 to rupees 50 to rupees 50 and quantity supply
Increase from
increased from 800 tons to 1500 tons. Find out elasticity of supply. Elasticity of supply. ठीक है ये करियो तु पाने गोड बनोयुस क्या बनोयुस गोड
Sir, you herkin asa position asa por ati man herkin.
बस है अब आके
Yes, sir.
price of sugar increased from rupees 40 to rupees 50 and quantity supply increased from 800 tons to 1500 tons. As बनाओ शुद्ध is supply schedule solution as mas pat karo elasticity of supply quantity supply you goes rupees and mass you goes ton and mass
Yes, sir.
you go 40 to 50 you go 800 to 1500 ये करतोस ये supply schedule तय जिसमें योड़े बने ये तो करो elasticity of supply. Calculate.
Yes.
Okay? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
सुबह तुलो इस इंशाल्लाह degrees of velocity of supply. अगर वो सुबह duty goes COVID duty तो तेल गो 4 बजे 5 कुन क्लास है. अगर ना तेल तुलो चली हैं? हैं?
तू शुन पते में नहीं जल्दी.
कैच सुन जल्दी यार वहीं
Yes sir.
मैं रोड में बुरूसी क्या तो ये 11th वाले आई क्या तुम करो ना फोन ना मेल ना कहाँ के तेल उसमें मेल है वहाँ मस्ट वेट करें.
Biraz bir kez buruz tamam.
हाँ शेट 12
Sir,
हाँ मुझे पता है
Yes, sir.
इस बड़े बुरूस.
Zui, sir.
तू शू गब गसाई कि आज जुई आम्स आज त्रेस कुछ भी किश जुई
Sir, we can करो.
चलो इट इज एनफ फॉर टुडे है ना यू गो सटा आज के खतर सुबह सुनो डिग्रीज ऑफ वेलोसिटी ओके
Okay sir, Allah Hafiz.
क्वेश्चन चाहिए
No sir.
No,